Looking for the best Laravel CMS? Meet Waravel, a modern and powerful content management system built for serious Laravel projects. It features a clean architecture, is developer-first, and is production-ready, feeling like a natural extension of your Laravel workflow. Waravel is built for Laravel lovers, integrating naturally with the ecosystem. It utilizes native Laravel patterns like eloquent ORM and Blade templates and offers seamless installation with Composer. You also get full CLI support through artisan commands. Waravel's core pillars are simplicity, speed, and power. Its intuitive, distraction-free UI offers simplicity. Experience lightning-fast performance with sub-100 ms response times for incredible speed. Achieve unlimited scalability and enterprise features with role-based permissions and multi-site management for power. Why settle for ordinary? Traditional CMS platforms are legacy, rigid, and risk-prone, requiring 3 to 6 months for development. Waravel, the modern Laravel CMS, offers flexible architecture, built-in features, and security by design, reducing development time to 2 to 4 weeks. Waravel is designed for modern teams, enabling smooth collaboration between developers, marketers, and content editors. Collaboration features include real-time comments, approval workflows, activity logs, and smart notifications, boosting team productivity by an average of 45%. Experience a beautiful admin experience with a clean dashboard layout and intuitive navigation. Smart interactions delight users without distracting. Waravel has an award-winning design, boasting 98% usability and an A+ accessibility rating. Content management is made easy through a 4-step process. Create rich content, edit with version control and collaboration, organize with taxonomies, and publish with one-click distribution. Features like the media library and publishing tools ensure efficiency, resulting in 60% faster content creation. Waravel is flexible for any project, adapting to websites, admin portals, business apps, and knowledge bases. Built on one codebase, it powers web and mobile frontends, API integrations, and custom applications, ensuring rapid deployment and infinite possibilities. Waravel is developer-friendly by nature, respecting modern workflows and clean implementation. It features artisan commands, a RESTful API, custom field types, and comprehensive docs. Plus, it offers seamless GitHub integration for version control of your content structure. Customize without the chaos. Shape the CMS to your needs through visual theming, content models, workflow builder, and a powerful plugin system. Waravel's modular architecture, including core, user, media, and custom modules, provides 100% customizability with zero lock-in. Waravel is a true Laravel native, built from the ground up using Laravel's core. It's performance-first, with sub-100 ms response times. The team-centric design ensures collaboration, and enterprise security is bank-grade. Its infinite scalability and developer joy make it the CMS of choice for over 10,000 developers. Waravel is the powerful and elegant Laravel CMS you've been looking for. Get started fast, read the comprehensive docs, and join a community of over 10,000 developers. Upgrade your Laravel CMS experience today and install Waravel or view a demo.